Sito inasabangat ang sa lamay sumito. So bangat ang sa unso. Muna may sumito tuti mo na bonsieto mo sobayena. Sito mo sobayena. Bima betu mo isigikisi mazono. Serviça e mal uma calabonce com mazono o nome camamo manquebo babingi va povanga fumambo ma kats kapena mala ya calabonce ko wanata muntu akakamuvumo kyandi ngoda vazavima
o hapaka bantu bole mensambi nigokena fwete yanga lala umbelolo namunjatulu zabu Kemo kwa yahandi Sudiang kenchut, sudiang zambi Tutanga beto kuna kuma Congo Bungong keto leanga falanga piabiozo Fulame hologo Yeah Kemo kwa mfumo Panamboka Kunana road Emoko Muta Fumure Kayo yo yo Tubutukanga Ganayo, je vous entends pas.
Tubutukanga.
Est-ce que là-haut, est-ce qu'il y a des gens là-bas? Mais si.
Tubutukanga.
Ebelo mame, olo zanken togo.
Tubutukanga.
Ngarale maloro, lele obolongo togo.
Tubutukanga.
Tubutukanga yo.
Tubutukanga.
Alaya jodo.
Tubutukanga.
Après, il est mort. Prochaine chanson de cet album très émouvant.
C'est l'Usambu. L'Usambu, c'est la prière. Donc, nous, en Afrique centrale, surtout nous les Congos, parce que nous venons du Congo, nous sommes de l'ancien royaume Congo, nous avons notre manière de louer le Dieu qu'on appelle Zambia Mpungu, le Dieu puissant. Et là, nous l'implorons pour qu'il ait un œil de compassion pour le peuple Congo qui est un peu délaissé. Et c'est notre prière pour que ce peuple se réveille, retrouve ses valeurs, des valeurs d'humanité, d'amour. Voilà.
À vous, merci.
Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu, Tata Webuzulu, Umbapuya Sembude, Wayambiti Kandi, the Sala Okoma, Fumu Yalulendo, Gebidi Biabiosono, Wayambiti Kandi, the Sala Mokomaku, Bantu Pe Munzayi, Eberi Wasara Boso, Wayambiti Kandi, the Sala Mokomaku.
Zambe Congo la Kosambela, Mozani si wadi corona se. Kembo, Kembo na Congo na yo, Mozani si wadi kela monionso.
Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu. Pasi mukota josulu Bimbe bobina yokanzambi kumeka bana bilungu Ya osono bilingana Ngewa salabyo Kwa iyambirikandi ya salaboko maku Vava toto ngepi vama piwa vana bifwechi hitama Patupeba bonsoro vana peki belo kyokia sungama Kuna Zulu yekutoto kumwaku ya zanguka wayambirikandi ya salamoko mako Yalulendo Yalulendo Vanatunu za Yaruledo, Fumu, Baratunu, za Yaruledo, za Yaruledo, Baratunu, za Yaruledo, za Yaruledo.
Kiambote.
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 Kiambote. Nice to see you again. I know it's morning, early morning. Nice to see you again. Kiambote, if you are watching, we thank you. This is Kikongo class for our brothers, special for our brothers, African Americans, yes. Going back to the roots, at least learning the language. Tutondele. We are going back, and I think we should. I'm just we are doing this basic for brothers, Audrey and sister Candace. We're finishing with Luvila, yeah. Are you okay, brother? Can you hear me, Tata Audrey? Can you hear me? Oh, I think you can. Tata, David, you can hear me. Hi, sister, can you hear me?
I can hear you fine.
Yeah.
But I don't.
Yeah, me too.
Tata Audrey, we can't hear you. Oh, we can't hear you. Okay.
I'll check on him and see what's going
Oh,
on.
please, thank you.
You can't hear nothing.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Oh, and we can hear you.
Oh, that's
Okay.
good. Yes, thank you for your time. We are going back to Luvila. Let me just try to display something here. I'm not sure if I got it here. Sorry, I have got it here. But let me write down.
I have a question.
Yes, brother.
Okay, so for the maternal side, is that
Sorry?
all of the Bantu tribes, or just for Kikongo? I guess tribes.
Sorry, brother. I can't hear you. Say it again, please. Sorry.
Regarding the 12 tribes,
Yes.
and it's maternal. They go maternal. Is that for all of Bantu tribes, everybody, or just for Kikongo?
Oh, this is a Congo kingdom. These are Congo people.
Oh,
Congo
okay.
Kingdom,
Okay.
yes.
So okay. Because
When you
I
say
didn't know if
sorry?
yeah, I didn't know if Congo consists of every Bantu that's in the Bantu, or I call it South, that's in the Central to South um countries. Or yeah, I didn't know what that consists of.
Congo, it was, I don't like saying it was. It is, Congo Kingdom is Central Africa. Actually, I mean, we used to be kingdoms, yes, before they divided Africa,
Yeah,
yes, before the Berlin
right.
Conference. So Congo, one of the kingdoms, we did have, I think Dahomey, Benin era is Congo. I mean, we did have kingdoms. Basically, we did Bantu race, if I could say race. I'm not sure if I'm right, so correct me. Within Bantu people, we have different kingdoms, yes.
So some of the kingdoms go paternal.
Oh,
Okay.
you're right.
Yeah, I was
You're right.
just
Yeah, it
mhm.
depends. Yeah, it depends. I mean, I don't have the knowledge. I'm not sorry. I'm not a historian. I can't dare to try to explain. But you're right. Some people, some I know. What's the name? People from Chiluba, Kibaluba. What's the kingdom? Is it Lunda? But they are not matrilineal. They are patrilineal. Yes, you're right.
Okay.
Did I answer a question?
Yeah. Yeah, you you
Yeah.
did. I
Yeah.
I'm one of the ones who believe that we're the people of the book. And so I was like, well, man, how could this be? But I don't, so that's why I asked.
Mm. Yes. Good question. Tata David question.
No, I'm good, thank you.
The three words on the screen. This is Kikongo Kingdom motto. Kinkulu,
Um,
Kinzonzi, Luzitu. Yes.
okay.
Kikulu meaning tradition. Kinzonzi. Basically, but Congo
Cool.
people we like talking. No, we are diplomats. Yes, we talk. We have Makonzo. We have own system how you talk to each other. I mean, when I say talk, it is the traditional talks. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
you need to respect someone. Someone watching will say, "Where did you find these words?" But my answer will be a question. Where is Tata David? I'm directing to. I'm talking. Basically, I'm
Yeah,
talking to you. Yeah,
no,
I'm
I'm
talking.
I'm just making some notes here.
No, don't worry. I'm just talking to you. I want your help because we are on the same boat.
Okay,
If
yeah,
someone
you said that
Mhm.
King Kulu is tradition. And so what is King Zonzi?
Kinzonzi, Kinzonzi is different way of explaining Kinzonzi, but we just could say diplomacy. Yes, this is yeah one of the explanation. Yeah, diplomacy.
Okay.
Then you have Luzitu. Mm, yes. What was it? Oh, sister's coming
Zito
back.
is
Sister back. So Tata David, I was saying that you don't find this word anywhere in Congo books. Yeah.
Hmm.
So if you
Luzitu?
ask someone watching, will say, "Ah, where
Hmm.
did you find this?" My answer will be, Tata David will understand what I'm trying to say. My answer will be, where do you find the word Trinity in the Bible? Tata David, you know what? What's the answer? Usually the answer to that question.
yeah, you won't.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, there's no
No,
word,
you
but
won't.
we know it is there. Mm. Yes. Okay, let us move. Sister, any
I didn't get
questions?
the definition for. Yeah, I didn't get the definition for Luzitu.
Respect, yes. Respect.
Okay, thank you.
I mean, let's get it right. What we are learning about Congo Kingdom, it is our ancestors before they went to the U.S., let alone nothing today. I mean, there's no common. There is something. There is something, but you understand me, yes? Mm.
Mhm.
Yes.
We are talking the original people. Yes. We've been
Right.
corrupted. Anyway, we are alive. I have to control myself. Yeah. What you're
Understand.
learning here is before our ancestors. I mean, sorry, I always emotional when I'm trying to talk about this. Yes, understand, understand me. We lost a lot. We've lost a lot. See,
Mm-hmm.
what you're learning here is before our ancestors went to the U.S. This is who we were, who we are. Let us say that. I was
Mm-hmm.
watching a video. There's a young man, doctor, he studies a PhD student in France. He said that they even discovered that, I mean, science finding new findings. Congo Kingdom, we could say embryonic state, yes. They
Mm-hmm.
traced it back to 8th century, between 8th and 11th century, yes.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
It's a long time. Did you get me, sister? Yeah. Are you there, sister? Before 8th to 11th
Yes, I'm
century.
here.
Yeah, this is Roman Empire, isn't it? Am I right? Yeah,
No, that was
Yes.
earlier, but yeah, still, you're talking AD, right?
Sorry.
You're talking AD, the 8th
Yeah,
to
yeah,
11th.
yeah, 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 yeah. After Christ, yes, yeah, yes. So, okay, let us move a bit. Let's move. We're waiting for that island, but he's not coming back. He's not here. Okay. Kinkulu Kinzonzi Luzitu. This is our
Okay.
ancestor. Yesterday I was displaying. I can't find it here. I was no. Forgive me. No, I was displaying. It's not here. No. So we have. What you are learning, what I mean, what people are learning today on economics, economics, uh, we knew that before them, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, never mind. Well, I'm going to display this one day. Let us just let us move. I need just to make sure that we understand. We basically mainly for sister and brother from Los Angeles. Just quick recap, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Luvila, esse mim, Panzunyoka, Luvila, min genealogy. Yes,
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
and
genetics or genealogy.
yes, we have. Tata David, okay, anyway, it is exercise to you. Tata David, try to explain to us. Yes, you did explain well last time. We belong to four. I mean, what is Congo personal identity? Tata David, you did that last time, please.
Mm. So you yourself are Mfumu of your Kanda right now. Is that correct?
Well done.
Hmm. And the person who is Wana is the head of the father's mother's Kanda.
Well done, yes. You are called Mwana from your dad's clan, yes?
Hmm. And Nkelo
Ntekelo, yes.
and Tekolo, yeah, okay. I'm not sure I remember how that part of the big picture works.
Yeah, but we have two sides, yes. You from your. Can you read my here? Can you read from
Yeah, it's
your
very
mom, dad,
tiny on my
clan,
screen,
yes,
but
Yeah, it's kind of
mother's,
small.
mother's clan.
yes. Then we have
And then my father's mother's clan.
yes, ladies. Are we okay? Yes.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just this is something. Just zoom in. Fumu, yes. Fumu.
And for
Yeah.
my mother.
That Audrey,
Mm-hmm.
can you read please? Just to I'm going to help you to understand.
Yeah. Mfumu. I am Mfumu from my mom's maternal clan, Mom is Mfumu from her mom's maternal clan. Dad is Mfumu from his mom's maternal clan.
Well
So
done. Well
Mfumu
done.
is basically from your mom's clan,
Yes. Fumu
mom's
means
lineage.
Fumu means it's a Fumu means top right, top right. Sorry, bottom right. Fumu means
Oh,
The lord or the noble.
yeah. Lord of them. Yes. Sister Candace, yes, are you there? Questions?
So Mfumu is kind of like the matriarch or not?
Uh, Let me just put it is in French, but there's a former Senegal president said that mm, on est, let me try to translate into English. We belong to a mother. Let me just say it in French first. Maybe someone intends understand French. On est de la race de sa mère. On est noble par sa mère. We are from the race of our mother's race, and we are noble because of our mother. Yeah, did you get this?
Mhm.
Yes.
This is sorry.
I just said yes.
Yeah, I mean, oh,
so
forgive me.
just getting it right. Mfumu is pertaining to your mother.
Yes, you are Lord. Basically, we were ahead of feminist movement. We knew that woman was everything. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
the Congo people, woman before feminism movement were there. Don't teach us about. Okay, I have to stop there. You know what I mean? Read between the lines. I'm not go further than
Mm-hmm.
it. Yeah, yeah, woman. Because okay, anyway, try to focus. Okay, I am Fumu. Then I'm Mwana. Mwana, sister, can you help us, please?
Okay. So
Thank you.
Mwana, I am Mwana from my dad's mom's clan. Um, my mom is Mwana from her dad's maternal clan, and my dad is Mwana from his dad's maternal clan.
Well done, woman. Yeah. Tata David, please.
Mhm. So Kinkai, um, you are in Tekolo
Mm-hmm.
from your mother's clan,
Mm-hmm.
and from your dad's mother's clan.
Mom. I mean, when I'm reading this and I'm teaching, just man, brother, I don't know how they came out with this system, you know? Tata David.
Mhm. Oh, and
Okay.
yeah, there's the quote you gave us in French on the lower right hand side.
Oh yeah. Tata David, can you read that again, please? We belong to a woman. Yeah.
We belong to mom, a woman. Donan Kanto Wasina.
Well done.
Donan Kanto Wasina. And here's your matriarch.
Yes.
I am Mfumu from Kanda of my mother. I am Wana from Kanda of my father's mother. I am Intekolo from the Kanda of my mother's father's mother. And I am Intekolo from the Kanda of my dad's mom.
Yeah, well done. Did you get this? I'm going slowly because we need to grasp it, you know, because this is being
Yeah.
Congo. This is us. I'm proud of my ancestors, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So what does the word Encanto mean?
Lady. Kento mean lady, yeah.
Okay.
Kento mean lady. Sina origin, yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Sina
so
origin. Sorry,
Mwana,
brother. Sorry.
Mwana is I know that's pertaining to your dad.
Mwana, yes.
Um,
Mwana means son or daughter, yes.
oh, standard.
No, son or daughter.
Oh, okay.
Donna Kento was Sina. Mean that the lady of, the original lady, yes.
Um, I was talking to my wife earlier about this. So wouldn't that, like you going through your mom's, won't that change various names of who you are?
Sorry?
Like by you going through the maternal lineage, how do you keep your name? Because when they get married, they take on a new name.
I got you. We're talking 17th century. This concept, yeah. Even well before that. Don't worry about that. That's what we keep saying. Congo people to Congo people, your name, okay, your name is not, yeah, yes, but our ID is this. This is it. Yeah. Of course,
Okay.
we take other people's name, but when you talking someone as a Congo person, you have to explain your Luvila so that they know who you are. You can take your
Genealogy.
husband. Sorry?
Oh no, I just say genealogy when you said Luvila.
Yes, you know, yeah. This identity. Any questions? I need to move to a new, not a new, but just a recap of everything we've ever learned about Luvila.
I just want to ask a quick question though,
Go
in
ahead,
terms
sister.
of the mother's bloodline. Like if I did my Luvila, I know what so I would start with my mother's father, right? That last name, and then that would be that one generation, and then from that we would go to his mother's father. I mean, how do you keep skipping generations? That's the part I don't get. You keep
Uh,
going to the father of each mother, or what?
uh, okay, I'm not sure if I'm able to answer your question, sorry. But you're talking about Kisa, you're not talking about Kanda. Is that David? Yeah, am I right? Yes.
Yes, that would be your family's kise is your father's side, but the kanda is the mother's.
Mm.
Oh, the mother's
Mm-hmm.
last name,
So,
Yeah.
which she got from her father, though. But you just keep going to the mother, and whatever her last name. That's the confusing part to me because
no,
it
that's what.
involves the father.
So sorry, sister. We thinking. Sorry to say that. Just
Well,
we have to put aside for the time. We have to put aside the surname
Okay.
for someone
Okay,
named. Yeah. Yes.
okay,
Here we're talking about blood, no names. Yes. Mm.
okay.
We talk about blood lineage. Yeah. That's what you're right. That's what Congo. Exactly. This is it. Congo people. This is sacrosanct. Yes. Congo. Congo people. I was 8, but every single day, whenever there was a talk, mom and dad talking, or any family member, you will always hear about talk. I'll hear them talking about the Luvila, always, and we
Mm-hmm.
learn from there. Okay, can I move to question that David?
hmm.
Any question, David?
No, I just wanted to say, Ardre, if you know the Senegalese rapper Akon, I just
Mm-hmm.
saw an interview with him online where the interviewer asked him for his full name, and he gave it was 17 names long, his full name, because it includes his entire Luvila.
Wow,
Okay.
wow,
And
that,
folk expect you to be able to recite the whole thing, so they
what is that?
really can place
Whoa,
you, right? So they really
whoa.
understand who you are.
Whoa, that's good. Can you
Mm.
send me the link that David? Wow, wow,
Yeah, I will find that.
please, wow. That's why let me just pause a bit because this is it. This is Congo. I mean, when I say Congo, people will talk about our ancestors, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Because those days, I mean, long time ago, people used to trade, and some people from other Kanda were infiltrated to others. See, that's why you should always be able, you must recite your full Kanda, yes? Mm. Mine is 13 names. People were sold, sorry, but this is what's happened in history among Africans, yes. Within communities, yes. Are we okay? Yes? Can I move?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you.
Thank you, Tata David, for explaining that.
Yeah, well done. Wow, Econ, wow, that's good. Now, I mean, if you were not able to recite your Luvila, they're going to push your age, mom and dad, to kick you. I mean, sorry. Those days, because this was it. I mean, this is sacrosanct because they knew that if they're gone, you didn't know who you were, that's everything's lost. Understand? This is it. You should know your Luvila. Yes. Okay, we're going back to, to the origin of Luvila. I'm sorry, last time I said that, what did I say? I said that I'm going to display soon. Luvila takes you back to before the 12 we have free people.
Right. So you're saying before the 12 tribes organized this, you're going even further back than that, is what you're
Well
saying.
done, you got it. You read it, that. Over to you. Yes, please.
Oh, you
Tata,
said read it?
please.
Oh, okay.
We
Kikongo
have a
Kingdom.
test there in Kikongo. Makuku matatu malambila Congo.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Can you read this? Yes.
Yes. Kongo Kingdom is built on its social and territorial bias on 3 pillars. The 3 main lineages of Kongo Kingdom that explain the social, political, economic, religious, military, etc. structures, as well as guide understanding the description here, are the lineage. Insaku is assumed religion, the legislative power and judiciary power with the Impanzu. Other denominations of the lineage are Inkanga, Invika, Kinlaza, Intumba, Mvimba,
Tumba Mvemba.
Intumba Vimba, Vuzi, Dia, Inkuwu, Impanzu, Kasaka, etc. Insaku, excuse me, etc. Nzinga, responsibility for executive power, public administration, judiciary power, delicate, other denominations of lineage are not mentioned. Impanzu assumed the industry of military power and share the judiciary power with Insaku, other denominations of this line, and it's in the way, so I can't finish.
You can see it.
Yeah, that.
Let me just remove this.
Okay.
There.
Other line is Nzambu Mpaksaka.
Pakasa.
Yeah.
Well, you know about Pakasa? You know Pakasa. Pakasa is buffalo, yeah. Pakasa.
Is what?
The animal buffalo.
Oh,
Buffalo.
okay.
Yes. Let me just try to correct something. Read my note. Correction about my Luvila, Kinlungu. Kinlungu takes you back to one of the 3 pillars, which is Panzu. This is my Kanda. My Kise takes me back to Nzinga. Kimalemba dia Nzinga. Yes. Makuku matatu malambi la Congo. Can you see the legend on the picture? Yes.
Yes, I see
Okay,
that.
yeah. So Makuku, we say pillars, but can you see can you see that stones? I don't how to call it. These stones, they're
Mhm.
free. The pan is sitting on three pillars. Yes, three stones.
Yeah, I see.
Yes. So basically, when we're talking about Congo Kingdom, Panzu, this three names Taku, Nzinga, Panzu. These are names of the pillars. From them, from the three, we have the 12. Are we okay so far? Ari?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm just correcting the mistake I made last time. When I say Yolu village should take you to to back to the origin, meaning that back one of the three, yes?
Mhm.
So let me just try to move quickly. Kangam Vika, I mean, the list not complete. You know history, Tata David, there are always gaps, yes?
Mhm.
we were not we were not there filming, see?
Right.
We're reading the past, okay, there are always gaps. See on Zinga, I can't see none of the 12 is there. There's no one there. But on Tagu, we have, how many are there? I think five, yes?
Mhm.
From the 12.
4,
Then
5.
from
Yep.
Panzu, we have Nzamba Pakasa, yes? Understood that, yes?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me just
Slowly,
move.
yes.
I'm going to come back to this. Let me just explain to you what I mean. The 12 are here, yes?
Mm-hmm.
So these 12, they come from one of the three, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Let me just go back. Here we have Kangam Vika. On that list of the 12, Kangam Vika, Ginlaza, Ntumba Mvemba. On that list, we find them on that list. But Nzinga, nothing is mentioned here from that list. We can't lie. We didn't find it. We just leave it like this. We need to be honest. This is
Okay.
history. You know, when you write history, unless the archaeology prove it, the findings on archaeology are okay. We are fine, but there's always a gap. Panzu from the 12 heaven Zamba Pakasa. Is it clear that the
Mhm.
this in Zamba Pakasa? Where is it? It's somewhere. Zamba Pakasa here. Zamba Pakasa number 6. Yes, so on.
Zambu.
Zamba Pakasa. Okay, I
I
think we
keep
got this.
getting Impanzu confused with Impanga. Wait, yeah, the meaning of it.
Now, Panzu, you know the meaning? Panzu is the king spectra.
Okay, King. Yeah, so if I was to say Most High or something, that would be Impangu, right?
Oh, no. But here, it's very important to remember. I mean, to remember, yes. Taku, we have. This is it. This is our kingdom, you know.
Yeah.
This lineage, Taku, the judicial power, and Zinga, yes, administration, Panzu, sons, yes, I think, yes. Mm. I think you got this. This one is just summary, quick summary, yes?
Yeah.
We got this.
Yes.
Let me just move quickly because you did miss something very important. Both. That's why we got it, yeah? People in Matrilineal. Yes. DNA. Did discover this recently, but our ancestor knew it, yeah? Yes?
Yeah.
This is recent, but they were talking about Kanda. We were there before them, yeah?
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, okay. We are alive. I have to control myself. Can you just imagine when they landed, wherever they went, our ancestors, and everyone wrote the Rovila, yes? A catalog
Mm-hmm.
of Rovilas. We wouldn't be here, you know? Kilungu, yes. Simpanzu, this is for my son, my mom. goes back to Panzu, yes? One of the three. We have
Mm-hmm.
Taku, Nzinga, Panzu. Taku is Nzinga, Panzu. When you see someone called Panzu, he can only be Congo. Huh?
Okay.
Congo, go to Australia, wherever go, Panzu is only Congo person. Yes? Taku, Congo name, pure Nzinga as well, yes.
Hmm.
Okay, I need to explain this. This
Right where you have, where it says live, that is in the way of. I
sorry?
don't know if that's right where you have live, like 4603 right now. That's in the way of the first couple of words.
Uh,
Let's wait. Unless I turn it around. Let me see.
no. Tata, Dave, you can see this on my screen, my
Yeah, I
slide.
mean, I think I can see the whole slide.
Yeah, they're fine. They're fine.
Girls and boys born to women within the Kanda are called la la la. Yeah, there's nothing blocked out on my screen.
No, it's fine. Okay, I need to go to the next chart to try to explain it. Yes, it is.
Okay.
Okay, let me quickly. Tata, Dave, if you can read for us, please.
Okay, girls and boys born to women within the Kanda are called bavumu, i.e., from the womb. Girls or boys born to Kanda's men are called anaguta, mwanaguta singular,
Well
or
done. No.
banananima from men's back muscles. These terms allow us to classify or clarify, not to discriminate, but all are true children.
Sister, did you
Yeah, I
get
need
that?
you to explain the anaguta.
Did you get? Sorry, brother.
Yeah. Yeah. Never mind. I guess you'll come back to
No,
it.
did you get that, sister? Did you get that, sister?
Are we
Candace.
talking about like two people being married and within the marriage, the children born would be Bana Bavuma from that mother. And if there is another woman outside of that marriage, they would be Anaguta. If
Well,
there were
almost
kids
there, went
from,
there, almost there. But basically, because keep in mind, Kanda, Congo people, woman, yeah. Congo people, all of us, we have four ladies in our lives. Yeah,
Okay.
you remember? Mom, yes, from Gikai, from mama side, that side, and from Gise Kanda. Mm, Ma, I am from same, as long as you are from same mom, we are from same Kanda. So my sister and myself were from same Kanda. Yes?
yes,
Her children are Banaba Vumu, two Congo people. Her children are lords, belong to Kanda. These are proper children. Quote unquote, yeah? Yes? Hmm? To
yes,
Mukongo, yes? For the Kanda, these are the children from Kanda, they belong to Kanda. My children belong to other person Kanda, my wife's Kanda. Are we there? Yes?
yes,
Yes.
Everything revolving around Kanda. Just keep in mind Kanda, lady. Hence, when traditionally, when Congo people, a woman at least, if at woman, when they got boys, they are not happy. Yes, because the Kanda may stop there. You there? You understand? Yes, because Kanda is carried by ladies. Yes, yes,
Mm-hmm.
mm-hmm.
yes. When got boys, Kanda stops. So
Also, it's the other way around.
no,
How
not
society look at.
not to the Congo people. When people say that we don't value ladies, we don't value women, no, not to Congo people. Congo people, Kanda is sacrosanct, the Luvila. So if there's no continuation, I mean, no sister and the ladies following girls, the Kanda stops. Is it clear that
Mm.
no more Kanda yes?
Yes, I understand.
Yes, yes. So when we say Banaba Vumu, of course, being womb, Banaba Vumu means Kanda. For my sister, my children are not Banaba Vumu because they are someone else Kanda. Because they will belong to my wife's Kanda. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
So Anaguta, mm, Banabanima, meaning that my children are Banabanima. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Because they are not from my Kanda. They are going to belong to my lady's Kanda. Mm. From back muscle. You understand that? I don't want to explain. You know that.
Oh yeah, no, I got it. Understand? Yeah, I
Yeah.
understand it now. So,
Yeah.
so they take on your wife lineage.
Kanda, yes, yeah.
Yeah,
But,
Congo.
Okay.
but Congo people, ladies, yeah, when they only have children, I mean the children only have boys, your grandmom will be sad,
Mm-hmm.
because they say that okay, we are sold, we we are sold to another Kanda. Yes. Mm. Benumanima. Yeah, same thing. This is just a graph, yes. Mm. To better understand this, can you read Isabel and John, Miriam Paul? Yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes. Tata David, are you brave enough to try to explain this this graph?
Mm.
I mean,
Yeah, this is a very complex graph. So let me. And
no,
it's
just from. I mean, start from here. Just keep just Kanda. We have two sisters. We have brothers and sisters. Same Kanda, same mom. Mm?
right.
But
So
before that, so, Tata David,
mhm,
we say Kanda. It doesn't matter which from father, same father or not. Yes, Kanda. As long as they're from same mom.
right.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm looking at Kimbungu and Luvumbu. They are both coming from mom's brothers, and so I'm not clear on uh,
No,
the
these are
difference
names.
between the
Sorry,
two.
say my mistake. These are names. These are the brothers.
Oh, okay. So it's two brothers named Kimbungu and Luvumbu.
Hmm.
I see. And so their children, you're saying Kimbungu has uh, the children Isabel and John,
Well done.
and Luvumbu is father to Miriam and Paul,
Mm-hmm.
but to each other, um, they would all be. I'm trying to remember the word now that captures both brothers and sisters.
They are brother and sister. Yeah, they are brother and sister. Yeah.
Mhm. But what's the Congolese word for uh, the children who would be called cousins under the Western system are just brothers and
Yeah, I
sisters.
know.
Right.
I know what you mean, Tata David. Now it
Yeah.
is the other side. When you go back to the ladies,
Hmm.
go the other side. Basically, see here, your your dad's your dad's children. I mean, your dad's brothers. Take note. Your dad's brothers' children are your sisters, your brothers.
Right.
Yes, only your your mom's children, your mom's sister's children are your brothers. Yes. Are we clear on that? Yeah.
Right.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's no cousins.
There's
No,
right.
You're not
that's my
cousin,
answer.
but here we have uh what we were talking about before with from the previous slide. This is where we have Mwanaguta. Hmm? These Luvumbu, Isabel, and John are not from the same Kanda as Ruth. Yes? Tata David. Isabel, yes? Are you there, Tata David?
Hmm. So
Isabel, Isabel, yeah, here, and Ruth are not from the same Kanda. Am I okay? Am I correct?
Because
right.
they have different mothers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, well done. Good. Yeah. They keep your man, mom. Yeah, you got it. Yes, that is it. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
these are from, let's say, Ndumba, roof from Ndumba. I don't know how many people after. As long as the lady, the kanda continues. Yes. Hmm?
Mhm.
I mean, Ndumba's daughter is Roof. Roof daughter's ex, and then great. As long as ladies, this kanda will carry on. Yes, are you clear?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Tata David. Now I need to test you because you should know that. You need to explain that. I mean, the graph is there. If you can read the box in red, that box there.
Yeah, let's see if I can. It's actually not easy to read on my screen, but
Oh, so
Undumba and Lulemba's children are dad's second level, i.e., Tatankento and Tata, to all Ngwankazi's children. So I'm
yes,
looking for uh,
you're right. It's fine.
Ngwankazi on the chart.
Sorry.
I'm looking for Nkwankazi on the chart. I
Now
don't.
these are workers. These are workers. Uncle. Uncle.
Okay, all right, I see.
These ngwakazi to this. Yes, ngwakazi. Yes. Tata out. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
ngwakazi.
Mm-hmm.
Keywords. Yeah, ngwakazi. We don't call uncle
Mm-hmm. One
ngwakazi.
Kazi.
He has power. I mean, behind the lady more than your from the side, that side. Yes.
Your dad's Kise.
Yes. Mm.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that side is more powerful than than the fathers.
Ngwakazi here.
One Kazi.
Uvumbu. One.
Navumbu is
These
more
two.
powerful than One Kazi.
Yeah. These two has power than
Because it's on
that
the
roof.
mom's
Yes.
yeah.
Is it clear, sister?
Yes, I think I understand.
These two has power. I mean, we're talking about traditional wedding mainly. Roof dad, Roof's dad has no power. The final word belongs to Ngwakazi, one of the two. Yes. I mean, there could be many.
Because those are the mom's brothers.
Well,
Right.
there, yeah, goody. Well,
Okay.
because these are carrying this blood. Yes, late mom's blood.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
This is it. A man is just a foreigner to the Kanda. Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
We men, to Congo people, man is just man. Sorry. Even when I was teaching my children to about all this kind of all this stuff, I was saying that I'm your dad, but your mom is your mom, and she has power. Eh? Her brother has power than myself.
Mm-hmm.
I told him I could lie, but sadly, anyway, fortunately, I have my sister's daughters. Okay, I'm happy. I have the same power on the other side. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow, this is it. See what we've lost. Yeah, that's out. Yeah, sister.
Boy,
Can you see?
and at least I don't feel too much by myself. If they felt kind of lost in the beginning, that is. But
Yeah,
I'm getting it though. I'm getting it.
Yeah. See, this is who we were. Yes, our ancestors before the people went there. The Western went there. Yes, these
Mm-hmm.
are societies. This were okay. The final slide. I think we'll do it next week, next time, because it's very hard to understand. We are going to talk about this is the last one, marriage among
Oh,
Congo,
okay.
because
Enjoy that.
the concept is picture yourself. I mean, have this in mind. You have a tribe within Amazon forest. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
people have children. Picture Amazon forest. There's no road. There's no road. There's no town. People are not traveling, but people would marry. Eh? Young people have to marry. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
this is what happened in our society. Either from Kikai. Someone from Kikai marry each other. I need to explain next time before it's not easy. Tata, David, remember this, no?
Mm-hmm.
Very hard to understand.
Yeah, it's been a while, but yeah.
Here, this one can marry each other, yes? This side
Yes.
and that side. I don't from Canada. Tata, Nengo Canada, yes? Miriam, Ruth. So Miriam and Martin. Is it Martin? Yes. Good marriage.
So it would be best if Paul marries Ruth and Isaac or Mary marries one of those on the left side to keep it it going.
Yes. Mona, we call it Mona Guta. Yeah, Mona Guta. Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
this is. I mean, it's not. This is Congo. Even here, the queens and they did this. Yes. Yeah. But in Congo society, that was very classic, no? I mean, well structured. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your time. We carry on next
Thank
time.
you.
Yeah? I mean, okay, we lost everything, man. We are new. We are here. How we can go back? But this is who were. Yes.
Yeah.
Anyway, life continues.
Mm-hmm.
Nengwa
Don't
Kane,
there.
any questions?
No.
We should be proud of our ancestors, no, man?
Yeah. It looks difficult, but they kept it, kept it together.
I mean,
That's
okay. Let me control myself. We're live. Anyway, we carry on next Sunday in the finish of
okay.
the last start.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Luanda Gambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongele meso mwene isibudi matu umwidi ikonzo dienu Kongo dia kwa Kongo dia